RSPCA Cymru has just handed in a petition to the Petitions Committee of the National Assembly for Wales. It had over 7,700 signatures on there, collected just from people in Wales. We've been calling for a ban on the use of wild animals in circuses for decades. The reason for that is that transporting lions and tigers and other wild animals around the country in beast wagons is not compatible with animal welfare. There's no way that we can cater for the very specific needs of these very large animals. Now, animal welfare is the responsibility of the National Assembly for Wales. In Wales, we're calling on the Welsh Government to introduce legislation to make Wales the first country in the UK to outlaw this practice, and to listen to the people of Wales who've said resoundingly this is not a practice that we want to continue in our country.